everybody, this is Blaze from Discord and Telegram. Glad to be here with you today, whether that's in person or via the metaverse. So glad you're here. Going to cover today validator changes and an upcoming boot camp that we've got running to integrate more validators into NEAR and to further decentralization. So let's get started with the slides here. Okay, so validator changes. We've got several things coming down the pike here. Seat price adjustments, introducing a new validator type called chunk producers, some hardware changes, as well as that we've got a boot camp that the Open Shards Alliance has organized, a guild of validators within the NEAR ecosystem, and incentivized testnet that's focused on the new chunk producer validator type. Okay, so basically we've got a new release of NEAR Core coming in December 1.23.0. It's actively being tested on testnet at this time. One of the changes with that is that we're going to reduce the basically the seat price to be the 100th bid that comes in. So the 100th validator bid, as long as that's over 64K. So that's kind of hopefully dramatically lower the seat price and let more validators join nearly immediately once this change goes live. We're going to also make a change to the seat itself, whereas today validators with large amounts of stake have more than one seat. They'll only maintain one seat once this change is in place, and then expanding to 4 shards from a single shard that we have today, to allow for more bandwidth and growth as NEAR continues to forge forward in the metaverse. On the decentralization side, like we said, we're looking to lower the seat price, hoping to bring on 30 additional validators right after the change goes in place or near around that time. And then the new chunk producer validator type will be in 2022. So that'll be here before we know it. As far as a chunk producer, what the difference is there is that it's going to add hundreds of additional seats beyond the 100 that are on mainnet today. It's going to lower the stake requirements. So to be a chunk producer, it will require even less stake than it is required to be a block producer. The hardware requirements will be slightly lower, and the rewards, it'll be incentivized, so there will be rewards with it as well, and those are yet to be determined. You can go to near.org/decentralize to find out more information and sign up. Okay. Let's see here, going the wrong direction. So the hardware requirements, basically they're generally the same with a couple updates here. We've got a new set of hardware requirements for the chunk producer only. And then we've made a recommendation to use the NVMe on your SSD to make sure that you're getting the best performance out of your validator and not missing blocks there. You can scan this QR code to join the chunk-only producers and get started there. As far as the validator boot camp, this is basically a comprehensive boot camp that's been put together by the Open Shard Alliance. The guild has been active for over a year now, and so we've gathered all the knowledge and resources and lessons learned and put those together in a boot camp for you. So it's 2 to 4 week boot camp that is self-paced, so you can take that at your own pace and your own leisure. It has different modules in it that you can work through. It's sponsored by the Open Shards Alliance, so as you're going through the boot camp, if you get stuck or have questions or need support, you can lean on the OSA to help you and get you through those sticky points. So you can just join our Discord to get support there. And then after you complete the course, there's a certificate of completion that comes with it. So the boot camp's available now. You can go to bootcamp.openshards.io to get started today. The incentivized testnet is what the last thing on our agenda to talk about today. And with that, we're calling that Stake Wars 3. There have been 2 other Stake Wars competitions, but we'll call this one the Block Producer Saga. So this is something that a change that's coming in early 2022. There will be 100 plus additional validator seats opened up. With this competition, we'll have challenges that you can complete, a leaderboard so that you can race to the top of the leaderboard, along with prizes and exclusive NFTs. So we'll have more details coming on that soon. So if you want to get started with, joining the block producer, sign up, you can join here. And also for the OSA, if you want to join the OSA, here's a QR code for that as well. So 2 QR codes in the presentation here. But we thank you for coming today and for watching, and I'll see you in the metaverse.